Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of properties of triangles. And if I talk about the question that is given to us here, the question tells us that if a triangle ABC lying in the first quadrant has two vertices where A is given to us as 1, 2, B is given to us as 3, 1. And if they are telling us angle BAC is 90 degree and area also is given to us, that area of triangle ABC is 5 root 5 square units, then we have been asked to find what is the abscissa of the vertex C. So abscissa is nothing but the x coordinate and ordinate is nothing but the y coordinate. So basically they are asking you to find out the value of the x coordinate of the third vertex C of this triangle. So if I see that I have y-axis, I have x-axis, I am just drawing the first quadrant for now. If I draw the first quadrant here, it's told to me 1, 2. So let's say somewhere here, and the other is 3, 1. So somewhere here. So these are my 2 points, and it is told to me this is A and this is B. So once I have both of them known, A and B here, now further it is also told to me that angle BAC is 90 degree. So let's say somewhere this point C and this becomes 90 degree. So angle BAC is 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle and we have to find the abscissa or the x coordinate of the C point here. So that is the question asked to me. And if I talk about the answer choices also that are given to me here, the options are 1 plus 2 root 5. Second option given to me here is 2 root 5 minus 1. Third option 1 plus root 5. And the last option given to me here is 2 plus root. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for the abscissa or the x coordinate of the third vertex of that triangle C. So let's use this idea first. So let's say, first of all, area of triangle, it is given to me that it is 5 root 5. And I can also find that the distance between these two vertices A and B, that will give me the base of the triangle. So if I find that distance first, so let's find that. So distance of the base AB, where A is told to me it is 1, 2, right? And the B coordinate it is 3, 1. So if I apply the idea of finding the distance root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, so 3 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, so 1 minus 2 the whole square. That gives you root of 2 square, which is 4, plus minus 1 the whole square, which is 1. So you get the base turning out to become root 5. So you get the base of the triangle, it is of the measure root 5. Now once I have that, area of triangle, if I talk about ABC, that is, we know it is 5 root 5 square units. So if I apply the idea, area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height, that is equal to 5 root 5. So half into base of the triangle, it is known to me that is root 5, into height is equal to 5 root 5. So if I try to cancel some options here, I can cancel out 5 and 5, root 5 and root 5. So I get the height of the triangle turning out to become 5 into 2, which is 10 units. So I also have the height of the triangle. Now once I have the height of the triangle, that is 10 units, I need to find the x coordinate of the vertex. So if I find the slope of, let's say, AB first, so I know the coordinates A and B. A is told to me that it is 1 comma 2. B is also told to me it is 3 comma 1. So if I find the slope of line AB, that is nothing but y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 1. So you get that as minus half. Now we know that BC is the line which is perpendicular to the base AB. So slope of a line which is perpendicular, it is negative reciprocal. So minus 1 over minus half. That makes the slope of line BC. So this, not BC, it is AC. So slope of line AC, that turns out to become 2. Because it is a perpendicular line, so we just applied the idea that we know for two perpendicular lines, slopes product is equal to minus 1. So that if I want to find the slope of other line, I take up negative reciprocal of the first line's slope. So I get the slope of AC turning out to become 2. Now, if I further want to find the x coordinate or abscissa of the third vertex C, let's see that. So I have this triangle with me. Now what I can do is I can understand that slope is nothing but tan theta. So I get tan theta for this line AC is equal to 2. Where if you see the theta, theta is nothing but this entire angle. If I extend that, the positive side of x-axis makes angle theta. So this is theta. So if I see here, this is alternate angles with this idea. So this also becomes theta. So I get this is theta. Now, once I get this, if I take that and draw it on the other side, I have like this my triangle given. And I know now this is theta. And we also know tan of this angle theta is equal to 2. So if I draw a perpendicular from this point, I can get, I have tan theta known, that is 2. So for this, this was A, this is 90, this is B, this is C. We need to find x coordinate of this third vertex C. So to find the x coordinate, if I get this much length of that triangle, so let's figure out. Tan theta we know already, it is 2. So tan theta is nothing but opposite side over adjacent side. And that is equal to 2 over 1. So opposite side, we know it is 2 times the adjacent side, which is 1x. So if I apply the idea of Pythagoras theorem to find AC, I already know AC is 10. But if I apply that idea for this, I get that as AC square is, let's say this is D. So AD square plus DC square. So that is 2x the whole square plus 1x the whole square. And that gives you 5x square. So from there you get AC is nothing but root 5x. So from here I get AC is root 5x. And since I need the value of this idea, that is CD, I need this length because I need the x coordinate. And if I see x coordinate, x coordinate is nothing but, if I drop a perpendicular here, which I'm drawing already, I have x coordinate of A, that is 1, plus the length of this, which I have DC. So I get 1 plus DC is nothing but the value of the x coordinate. So if I find DC with the help of this, I know now AC is root 5x. So from here, if I want to find DC, AC is also, we know it is equal to 10. So if I apply the idea, let's say if I apply sine theta we know it is opposite over hypotenuse. So it is 2x over root 5x. So x cancels, you get 2 over root 5. Cos theta also, if you try to find out, it becomes 1x over root 5x. And that makes it 1 over root 5. So you know cos theta, you know sine theta. And cos theta also, if you figure out, it is DC over AC. I already know AC from previous height which we figured out, and that was 10 units. So we already know AC as well, sorry, DC as well, that is 10 units. So from here I get AC is, we don't know DC, we know AC, right? So we need to find DC. AC, we know it is 10. So if I write that AC is 10, so from here I get DC turning out to become 10 over root 5. If I split it, I get 5 into 2 over root 5. 5, I can write that as root 5 into root 5 into 2 over root. This gets cancelled. From here you get DC as 2 root 5. Now once I get DC as root 2 root 5, I know to find the x coordinate I just have to add 1 to DC. So if I want to find the x coordinate of the third vertex, that is C, that is the abscissa which is asked to us. It becomes 1 plus DC, and DC we already know it is 2 root 5. So I get the answer for the question which was asked to us, that it becomes DC as 2 root 5. So I get the abscissa or the x coordinate of the third vertex as 1 plus 2 root 5. So that matches with which option? Let's see that. So it matches with option A. So A becomes the correct answer for the question given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions which deals with the ideas of finding the x or the y coordinate of the third vertex of a right angle triangle when two vertices are known. So what we did was we just used that idea. First, we figured out the length of the base using the distance formula, that was root 5. Then we used area of triangle, that is half into base into height, to find the height of the triangle. Once I got the height, I found the slope of the line AB. That also gave me the slope of AC, that comes out to become 2. So I get tan theta as 2. Then I applied the idea of alternate angles so that this also becomes theta. From tan theta equals to 2, I find sin theta and cos theta. Once I get sin theta and cos theta with the hypotenuse, I know DC over AC in cos theta is also 1 over root 5. So once I know AC already as 10, I find DC, that comes out to become 2 root 5. Now once I know DC is 2 root 5, I just find the x coordinate of the third vertex. That is 1 plus DC, which is 1 plus 2 root 5. That matches with option A. So A becomes the correct answer for the question given to us. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic, and we are going to continue our series of questions on 11th, 12th as well as JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, do like my channel if you are enjoying these videos every day. Do subscribe to my channel and do share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.